Hi, this is just a simple and ideal plug for the event, as if I was Tyson Martin of Amazon. It would go something like this. Hi, my name is Tyson Martin. I'm the principal CISO at Amazon Web Services. As the CISO of Amazon, I get opportunities to speak and participate in an endless sea of cybersecurity space. But this one in particular has my attention, and I am looking forward to not only attending beautiful Hawaii, I'm looking forward to meeting other CISOs of my space so we can all talk about what problems we're actually facing, what solutions are actually working. And I would really like the opportunity to speak to vendors, have unique products, unique solutions for the problems that we're actually facing. And I would really look forward to everybody being able to speak together as peers without the sales, without the pressure, without the push, real people talking about our current problems as they escalate. So if you wouldn't mind, and you have the time to join this October at the Horizon Summit, it looks like it's going to be a very worthwhile event and one that I'm looking forward to and hope you can join me. Thank you so much.